Hello and welcome to another video. Joining us for today's video is Kashish. Please check her page out. The link is in the description below. She has some wonderful covers on her page. So after you've made quarantine the most successful time of your life, the link is right here. Please watch. It's time to face the world. One fine day, we'll be back out in the sun hustling. We will be discussing how our lives will be tomorrow because of the activities that we follow today. This video is more for fast forward, so watch till the end and subscribe.
All of us definitely miss college now, but waking up to go to college is gonna be the biggest task ever. Our sleep schedules are so messed up that the thought of waking up before 12 pm is a nightmare in itself.
So college generally starts at 8 in the morning, which is the time where I finally keep my phone down after my rigorous research on Instagram and Snapchat and try to sleep. So make sure you always carry a soft cushion to make those hard seats soft and comfortable. The worst thing going to be studying again, cause our attention span is of 15 seconds, just like a TikTok video, and a lecture is for an hour.
Our attention spans are so short that I'd probably lose my attention while writing the word attention span.
But now let's talk about every college student's favorite place. The the canteen. Do you think we'll be able to eat there without being paranoid anymore?
Let's cut to a sad visual. Your best friend buys a pastry and they're walking towards you. She's beautiful. The pastry, not your best friend. But you can't eat her. You can't share a spoon. It's gonna be the worst time of your life. And somewhere in the distance, I can imagine all the Dabba Chors' hearts shattering right now.
Death by hunger or death by corona. And remember, friends के साथ food share मत करो ना.
What about the weekends? How do you think that's gonna change?
See, weekend is here, so obviously it's time to go out and party. But remember, we also need to maintain social distancing, hence COVID a mask.
So after a long and a tiring week at college, you decide to do what you did usually on your weekends. That is to go to a club. So now that you've gotten over the fear and you've decided to go out, you look at a mirror and you see that you're either bald or you desperately need a man bun.
But now you need to dress up, and after eating all the junk in quarantine, the only thing fits your summer body is a loose t-shirt and shorts.
I think all clubs should start pajama parties and keep pajamas as their official dress code. After wearing night dresses, night suits and shorts for so long, I don't think anyone's gonna have the energy to get dressed and go out.
Now you finally reach the club, but the bouncer can't identify you with the mask on. And here even your fake ID won't help. Chal, agar tum andar bhi chale gaye looking like Bane, remember you need to dance while maintaining social distancing. So just stand 6 feet apart from everyone. So you can't dance, but you can drink. But for it you need to scream louder than the music and just hope the bartender would deliver that drink to you.
So finally when we're back out there, it's gonna be a weird place in the beginning. But the most important thing that's gonna happen is that we won't take any moment for granted anymore. Every time we're out there, every time we're having fun, we will actually be in the moment. So I think that's one of the best things that we could have gotten out of this. So thank you so much, Kashish, for joining us for this video. We look forward to having you in our videos in the future as well. We'll be back next week. Thank you for watching.